Well, 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 looky there. Looks like meat, doesn't it? It looks like good old-fashioned chili meat just frying in the skillet. So that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to recreate an experience that is like what most people are used to that love chili. You got your oil kind of brewed up to the top, a little bit of the water we added. So this will cook, this will continue to cook down, just like any pot you cook in, stews, soups, chili, whatever you're doing, it's gonna cook down. But so don't get all excited. But you can see some of the toasted sesame oil, some of the grapeseed oil mixes in there, and then you see the chili powders cooking in. So, and again, that chili powder, that's from a proprietary blend of several different kinds. So you can come up with whatever you want. There's, of course, the regular commercial offerings that are out there on the store shelves. I prefer to go to the farmer's market. I've got a good friend of the family that's been around been knowing these guys probably 25 years or longer, that own what's called a Mediterranean mart on our local farmer's market. And they've got a huge selection of spices and whatnot, and herbs and all kind of stuff. So I like to go down there and get as many different types of chili powders and whatever, smoked, and just different kinds of flavors, because this really is going to give an opportunity when you eat it, when you have as many different types of chili powder flavorings in there as you can. You really do give it an opportunity for the flavors, for the flavors to take the lead in the dish, as opposed to, having these fried meats and whatnot. I don't know, and I'm not dogging it, because I mean, I still eat meat from time to time to this day. I'm not that person, but it's just a difference, man. When you're cooking with alkaline ingredients, the vegetables, the fruits, these things, they kind of speak for themselves. And so when you add in these seasonings, there's something about the way the seasonings are able to become an even more noticeable and memorable part to the mixture here. So everything kind of comes together and works in concert. You're not just eating the chili just to, eat the meat. Like, you're really tasting the flavors. And so I believe if you add more different types, I believe you'll be able to taste kind of like that elevator of just different, the initial taste when you put it in your mouth, as you chew, as you swallow it, as the aftertaste, like these different flavor areas, I believe you will find superior to your traditional experience. So I just got this cooking just to show this part of the video, but I'll probably turn the heat down and just let it continue to simmer, because again, the walnuts, they'll just keep cooking. You're not cooking out any flavor. You're just trying to let all the flavors kind of get in there. And then we'll get started on the veggies and come back and put all of that together as well.